channel, and thank you so much for stopping by. If this is your first time here, well then welcome. So it's summertime and there's no better time to make some good old-fashioned gumbo. So if you want to see how I make my gumbo, then keep watching. But before we get started, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And thank you so much to all of my new subscribers. Welcome to the family. And don't forget to turn on those notifications just in case whenever I do put up a video, you'll be the first to know, okay? So enough talking, let's go ahead and get cooking. So I'm going to put together the seasoning mixing for the gumbo. So I'm going to start off with a tablespoon of dried thyme. I have 2 teaspoons of garlic powder. I also have 2 teaspoons of paprika, 2 teaspoons of sea salt, 1 teaspoon of dried onion, and of course for a little bit of heat, 1 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, as well as 1 teaspoon of black pepper. And then you're just going to mix it together, and then you're going to set it to the side, and we're going to use it later. Now the sausage I'm using is a Cajun style Andouille sausage. It's a smoked sausage, and it's very common when you're making gumbo, and I picked this one up at Walmart, but you can find it at most grocery stores. So I'm just going to take it out the package, and I'm going to use all 4 links, and I'm just going to take a knife and just run it through it and, you know, make some diagonal slices through all 4 of my sausage links. And along with the sausage, I'm also going to use a package of uncooked shrimp. Now, for gumbo, you can put so much in your gumbos. You can put crawfish and all types of seafood, but I'm going to use shrimp. And I just wanted to show you guys that it's rinsed, it's clean, and there's no black line, no intestinal tract. And if you do see that black line, you definitely want to take that out. So let's get started making this gumbo. So I'm going to start off by making a roux. So in a deep pot over medium heat, I'm going to melt 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter. And I'm also going to add 1/4 cup of canola oil. And once everything is melted, I'm going to add 1/2 cup of flour. And then you just want to take a spoon and begin mixing everything together, making sure that the flour is completely dissolved into all the butter and the oil. And this is what's going to happen, you guys. Your roux is going to go from light to dark, and this entire process is going to take around 15 minutes, so you don't want to walk away because you don't want your roux to burn. So continue stirring until your roux goes from dark to this beautiful chestnut brown. And also, just so you know, the roux is going to add some thickness to your gumbo. Now after around 15 minutes, I've already chopped 1 medium onion, and I'm ready to add that into the roux. I chopped 3 celery stalks, and I'm going to add that as well. I also chopped 2 red bell peppers. You can use green bell peppers or yellow or orange. I've just always loved red bell peppers, so I'm going to go ahead and add that in as well. And now I'm ready to add 1 cup of chopped carrots. And I'm just going to grab a spoon and just quickly mix everything together. Now off camera, I chopped 2 garlic cloves, and I'm going to add that to the pot. Now to add even more flavor, I'm ready to add a 28-ounce can of crushed tomatoes. So now I'm ready to add 4 cups of chicken broth, but you also have the option of vegetable broth or seafood broth. The choice is completely up to you. It's time to add all those seasonings that I mixed together earlier. Now before I add anything else, I'm just going to give my gumbo a nice big stir, making sure that everything is well combined. And now I'm just going to put in 1 cup of chopped green onions. So after adding all of those amazing flavors, I'm just going to give it another big stir. And my gumbo is going to simmer for 1 hour, and all those flavors are going to come together, and it's going to be absolutely delicious. So after an hour of cooking, I'm ready to add in the andouille sausage. And at the very end, I'm ready to add in the shrimp. And you guys, at this point, I would really recommend that you can pretty much cut off the heat, because the gumbo, well, the sauce from the gumbo is going to warm up the sausage and it's going to cook the shrimp. Shrimp doesn't take any time to cook. And you know what? We are pretty much ready to eat. I have a plate full of jasmine brown rice, and I'm just going to pour over a couple of spoonfuls of some delicious gumbo. Look at all the shrimp and the sausage and just everything. So delicious, and make sure to enjoy it while it's nice and hot. And that is it, you guys. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. I'd really appreciate it. That will help my channel out a whole lot. Share this video with everybody you know, especially if they love gumbo. Follow me and tag me on Instagram. I would love to see it. And if you give this recipe a try, please let me know in the comment section down below and let me know what you think. Before you leave, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel by clicking that box you see right there. And if you want to see another video, go ahead and click that box you see right there. Until then, thank you so much for watching. I love and appreciate you all, and I will see you very soon in my next video. Bye-bye.